How about you? How long have you been in the industry?
I've been doing exams for 8 years and active duty Coast Guard for 23. Started out on the back deck of my dad's power trawler in California.
Right on. Well, best of luck to everybody. I'll pass this over to Claire.
Okay, ready? That you can move it anywhere you need to on the stage floor. And what we're looking for the end is legs in, arms in, over your head and zipped up to your nose. Right, and flap over your face. So I will sit here next to Sean and count you down. And for this, you will be a national fisherman of the year. So, prepare, ready to go? Yes? Okay, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Please cheer your participants. Got it on. And again, we're looking for 60 seconds. You have this on. Okay. This side. Oh, and we have a winner. Congratulations. You got it. Okay. What were your tips and tricks? What were your order of operations for all of us to remember?
Take a big breath. Just do what you learned in your MC course and FPVOA. Legs in, weak arm, hood, strong arm, zipper, flat.
Awesome, congratulations. Yeah. And that was completed in 37 seconds. Well done. Well done. But huge thank you to all participants and congratulations. Please join us again next year, and I'd like to thank National Fisherman for putting this event on, all the exhibitors, all the participants. You did it.